Everybody, check out the new journals that I grabbed. Okay, I've been on the hunt for the journals. Not that I need journals at all, y'all. Okay, so let's go over where I got these, okay? So I grabbed this one from TJ Maxx. This one's $5.99. I've never seen these, y'all. These are so cute and tiny. They were $5.99. And it says they're A6 pockets, but they're blank. So, okay, so they're blank. I didn't see any other colors. Okay, so there's two colors here. Let me open these so we can look at them. And I also have something from Cloth and Paper that came in today that I'm very excited about. Okay, so stick around for that. Alrighty, let's see what we grabbed here. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. So tiny. Oh, I love that. Just blank little journals, right? So that's perfect, when you want to just jot something down and, all the things. So 2 for $5.99 is great. This is all the colors I saw, okay? So I had heard somebody posted in one of my in the chat, saying, "Hey, Home Goods has some." I'm like, "Is that right?" So I had to return some TJ Maxx when I bought this. And there's a Home Goods, right there. And I'm like, let me pop in there. Because I had also heard that they had Midori's at Home Goods. This was a few weeks ago. But I didn't see any Midori's. So if you haven't seen the video that I posted, what I did see in there, check that out. It's a short little video, okay? But check this out. I grabbed these today at Home Goods of all places. Prices are pretty much the same. And they did have a more variety of colors. Just a little bit. I felt like TJ Maxx didn't have a whole lot of variety of colors, just basic colors for now. That's not to say they won't get them in, because they get new stuff in, a couple times a week or whatever. I went to Ross. I didn't see any at Ross. I think TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods have journals, different journals, okay? So be on the lookout when you're out and about, all right? So I grabbed this one at Home Goods, okay? This one was $7.99. Look at this pretty blue. I love this. I was actually going to order this off of Mercari. Okay, Mercari is the site. It's kind of like eBay. You order, things people have or whatever. But not for $7.99. I think that one was like $20 or something. No, ma'am. But I think it was actually a B5. So I got an A5. Okay, in this, and then I grabbed this B5 in from Home Goods. This was $9.99. Okay. So I grabbed that, all my little blue journals. Now, they did have pink. I saw a few hardcovers there. I didn't want those. They had a few other colors, but I don't have any blue ones. So I'm going to be well stocked with these journals because I'm going to probably use these for the next few years. So that's why I'm getting so many, And then these are really cute. If I can find other colors in these, that'd be great, right? So, all right. So those are my journals that I grabbed from TJ Maxx and Home Goods, okay? So be on the lookout now. Check this out. What is that? Cloth and Paper. I had to jump on the bandwagon, y'all. I'm so easily influenced. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, let's open her up. And let's see what we got. Oh, here. Let's see here. Alrighty. So, look it. Alright, it's my first time ever having anything from Cloth and Paper. Oh, I like this. I like this envelope. This is cute. I like this envelope. Okay, let's see. All right, what do we get? I got a Pocket Plus. Oh, and it's so cute and little. What is this? It says Cloth and Paper. Is this circle sticky notes? I came with it. That's so cute. Look at that. Too cute. I love that. Okay. And then you get like a little card here. Okay, just a little card. Love that. And then a little vellum envelope. I like that. Oh, you know what? You can make this as a pocket in the journal. You can glue I would just glue the sides of it. You can have a pocket going, behind here and another pocket there. I think that's why they gave it to you. Okay, and I love this. This is really cute. I'm going to have to keep that, okay? This is my little Pocket Plus. I love it. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh, y'all. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it fits. We're going to open her up. Let me hurry up. Okay. Already 4 minutes. Okay, so hold on. Oh, God. Oh, here. Let's just rip it off. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. I have always wanted a clear, cover. I actually had some clear covers, but they were nothing like this. They were literally just a cover. I had them for years, but they don't fit the journals that I have. So, yeah, I love this. Okay, so let's open her up. And it says Fits up to 4 pocket traveler size notebooks. Okay, that's what it says. All right. So, we'll take this out. And then here, this is what it looks like on the inside. Alrighty. That's so cute. So you can probably fit 4 to, I've seen people, some people put 6 in there, but you know, I think 4 is enough. Okay, so yeah. Wait, what's happening? What is happening here? Hold on. That's not supposed to be loose, is it? I don't know. Oh, wait, we'll see. We'll see. You know, because sometimes you have to adjust these little straps here. I don't know. I'll fix it. All right, so let's see if we can put our little new Leuchtturm. I always say Lectrum, but I think it's Leuchtturm journals in here. And I got a couple other little small ones too. So let's see if we can put these in here. Will these fit? Yes, they will. They fit. Okay, so let's kind of set it up a little bit. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, and this has a little pocket too, like right here. I'm sure these are probably old school style. So look at that. That's a little pocket inside of that journal. So, okay, so we have that, right? Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. It fits perfectly. Oh my God, I love that. This is going to be for my purse and the car. I had another journal for my purse, but I don't like it. So I decided to go ahead and get this one. All right, so yeah. Oh, I love that. I love it. Hold on. I'm going to destroy it here. Oh, and let's see how it works. These are perfect. I love that. I love that. Look at that. It fits so well. So cute. Now, you know I'm going to have to get a dangle for it. Some little something to hang on it. I'm going to have to put something on here. Some charms on here. You know that. So this is what it looks like so far. And I absolutely love it. Thank you, Cloth and Paper. This is so cute. I paid for this, so. Alrighty. So, yeah. Y'all, I may have to order the bigger ones. I had a feeling I was going to like it, too. So, all right. Oh, wait. You know what? I didn't do it right. Hold on. I didn't put it in here right. Let me see. So, just a second. We got to do it properly here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's do it properly. Oh, sorry. My phone's going off, y'all. But, yeah. Oh, wait. You know what? And it's upside down. Wait a minute. Oh, my God. I was so excited. I put it in. Oh, no. It's not. Is it? Is it upside down? Hold on, y'all. Duh. Just a second. Let me fix it. Just a second. Okay, now. Yeah, put it in upside down. Because, you know, with these, you got to, like, look inside of here. Let me take that out. I'm going to need that. So I'm going to get busy looking for little accessories for her. Okay, we're going to have some accessories for her. Oh, now, see, that's great. Yeah, it looks better. Wait, why is it going across? Did I do that? Did I put the line across there? I probably did, knowing me. But it's beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful. It's so well made. So thick, so pretty. And I like that you can decorate it, you know, and you can see the outside of it. I mean, see the inside, you know, with stickers and different things. So I love that. All right. So I just wanted to share. All right. Thanks for checking it out. Bye.